In the last few years, industry has seen a huge amount of upheaval, and upheaval always brings with it a large amount of new regulation and significant regulatory pressure on existing regulations. In the financial services industry, there are new requirements around capital adequacy, do they have enough money, and indeed around the way the people in the industry behave. In the pharmaceutical industry, we see new requirements around the way people are communicated to, a greater level of information being provided to consumers. In the energy market, we see utilities being required to demonstrate their value for money. So to address this regulatory pressure, to address regulatory change, each organisation has to bring the right team, and that team has to be unconstrained in their thinking. They have to think differently from the way they used to think.
Across the major industries that affect our lives, PA has been at the forefront, solving the challenges created by regulatory change. In the finance sector, our work has ranged from helping regain control of new regulation that impacts the whole of the European insurance market, through to supporting international banks with the prevention of fraud. In the energy sector, we are working with a major utility and in the process driving out $10 billion in revenue to create value from regulatory change. In the pharmaceutical industry, we worked with one of the largest companies to help better align operations to regulatory strategy. We made it easier for them to be compliant, and in the process we helped eliminate 3 million pages of documentation.
So from these experiences, we've learnt it's important to have the right team. We know we need the right team to regain control, to operate effectively, prepare for the future, and absorb the change when it happens, but most importantly, to generate long-lasting value.
When it comes to regulation, our track record speaks for itself. We believe at this, we are the best in the world.